Sabari last Friday, and John Dramani Mahama, through the secretary to the president, Callistus Mahama, on the list of MMDC. Surprisingly, Asante region, you know only one.
Reverend.
Very, very important. Very, very important one. Mamen kwa umasuna mene kwasi ofori ajemai. Aka Zuba.
Mayor in making.
Yes. Mayor cry. You make it. Zuba, congratulations, my brother.
Kofi medase.
Abusanfo nyina ho ye de.
Yes, I don't me ho ye.
To some of us were convinced you would be nominated, but the whole region. How did you take it, my brother?
Kofi me say amama amwa. Amama jo. Amama I am a boko.
I see. I will be said Zuba cry ye body din ye ha me cry ni metro mrantie ye di na chi. I mean, it said yes swa party office. Your guys were highly yes press and they told president so yes Brana boys no be didi. Is that the case?
Yes, anete. Onim oni pesusu no nyame na hye.
Yeah.
Enti me nyame yi we tell no abro 6 years. Na nyame aye na adwen say no obeye. Na me wogidie se onyame obi bia opese oye. Nti enye nipa ya fama mpanyi so ene na asante he na de ma bebe pia but the nyame hye.
Zuba adwuma na obabesom no say assembly no confirm wa. It's one of the toughest job some of us have seen. I mean, mayors bebre abako. Ibinom ye de yereshe wo mu there been serious disappointment. Ye nyam confirm. But what are we expecting from Kwesofo Ajimai?
Kobi me ankasa makache mu se majimiti.
I like that word.
Me makache me se majimiti. Ankofi makache me mano. Se me wojidi or assembly members anymore. Say on better meti. Me did assembly man be also feel like be also officer ojinidi. The minty people many omina nebeya. But the America assembly man.
Ezra 94.1 FM.
Kwasi what next? After name abe.
After name abe. I feel that maybe call assembly man for naso. Na nomination man penye di abano. Mbedi atu say omni mbeye adwuma ana mo bom galawe na mo gidi say ombedi nat
me you worried about said Kumasi TSCA. I mean, for the last days where the minister chi share the biggest challenger Esia stare at you as a mayor. So far what do him fan cry with this process yimu blue gate blue light ejashishim.
A man tell the situation no ahomete ya se oni omudi enkita ho wo mu ka one on one sorry ne chewa ahomete nti ayem se omo so ka ho ena ma mampani ayi ke me nko awo Asante region no ebi se mampani pese ye bibi de mo mo ni manim ye no mo hari wo nti ena ye mami abe ni manim ye se de be ya ye be di juma na ya restore hope to maintain name about why wo ho no nti me show mbo se jumedia mampani de asemensa ene nkoma wo ni medie no many assembly members and also any media name and the mingin these assembly members and be delay ye no term so na ya ba omwa
Ezra 94.1
FM. Your biggest priority for now say you confirm we are what will you be then abe person Kumasi de bekai wo
4 things. First one is sanitation.
Okay.
I know the mirror office or editing I better sequence. The Namia do not some members no confirm me. Na anopa Namia ya swemi na me correct office one. Editing I mean office will get on the street. Offer additional at the Befa Zoo Ho, the Fac of Honotia, Ahomete. Na so Obi Sofin Kaiba, no feel labor ho, or Anyani Fia, a good year quan. The second largest city in the country. This should not be our outlook. And there are a lot of places. Economy, if you the sanitation here, top right here. The first 4 weeks there, I'll make sure that as much as possible, every street is cleared. And there's no field. And where you know, many so I didn't know about here, soft tourism. Yeah, the attraction point in Hodada, you are considered and a era and a huge tourism package. And he will put in place mechanisms to improve on soft tourism and all the human any how about the amount for apartments, baby, but Saturday, baby, me empty, weekends, baby, me empty. Or see a conscious effort at driving people from other places to come to
Ezra 94.1 FM.
the next one, yes, I know the Adama Kuma Sopa.
Ezra
Ovi,
94.1.
Afisona,
Ezra
Yakwa Dia,
94.1
I just
FM.
call Meklin car park,
Mhm.
and I'll Lamata car park, and Fataye. Na, and also there, a Quambi and Mefasu Bia, as assembly members near my dome. Na, Omo Egitum so on Belgium, a Quambi and Mefasu Bia, and Sana Mekono, near where modern theater. I bet you my conference facility. I bet you my pen probably 3,000 to 5,000. And no nebema in airport, no. So I buy them for so because they say I underutilized, domestic flights. Once I can't do it. The airport.
Because it's any we have budget is so.
Baby, how you don't need budget for me even came.
Okay.
Baby, how you don't need budget for it. You just need to have a comprehensive, properly structured business plan. The American can be sustaining. What I say. I know I can say baby, I know I just got. And then the fourth one is market. Kumasi be ready for. There will be a hearing him close. Will be a hearing him a friend say PGT phase 2. And then there's the need. There's too much congestion because you be crowded in a doom. And there's the need for us to have a new terminal. You be a car stations in Koho. And you want to convert our region in Adia Ko. So we can free up Atafo. Near the other stations to so Abaho. Now we can take a lot of cars out of KGT. Now you couldn't more hurry, Kaka.
Ezra 94.
I like these 4 pillars opesa ujina so. The general concern at Kumasi may be our biggest problem when you air congestion. I mean, what can castle be? But within the CPD, what is the plan?
Well, there's a good plan. Assembly members in here, Madoma, may will design and never a dome ultimately should become a one-way route. A dome, central business. If we want to decongest in the midst of construction, or see any one-way route, so that we can create spaces by the road. Car nipa embo and sahu dome, and yeah, design or paper so that we will show it to the assembly. If they approve, we'll make a dome a one-way route.
It's very juicy.